Welcome back to Dinar Community Breaking News. Contract rates are now official. If you're holding Iraqi Dinar IQD or Vietnamese Dong VND, listen up. This isn't hearsay, speculation, or internet gossip. It's the moment you've been waiting for. Verified sources have confirmed that contract rates for both the IQD and VND have been finalized. The global financial landscape is already starting to shift in response. We are standing at a defining moment in modern currency history. If you've been waiting for undeniable confirmation that real change is underway, this is your signal. But before you take your next step, pause. Every choice you make from here could shape your future, not just financially but for generations to come. Guesswork is no longer an option. The opportunities available now are real, but only for those who move with careful planning, credible guidance, and intentional strategy. A single wrong step could cost you dearly. A well-executed plan, on the other hand, could lead to the kind of financial transformation most only dream about. That's why you're here, because you want real information, not hype. And that's exactly what we deliver here at Iraqi Dinar Info, clear, verified, and timely updates as this historic event unfolds. What are contract rates, and why do they matter? For years, the idea of contract rates has floated around in investor circles, often dismissed as rumor or wishful thinking. But not anymore. This time, it's confirmed. Contract rates are active. They're not just under negotiation or being proposed. These rates are live, legally binding, and available through select financial institutions under formal agreements. So what exactly is a contract rate? A contract rate is a higher than public exchange rate that's been arranged between certain groups or individuals and licensed banks. It's part of larger global economic agreements that aim to stabilize markets or reward early holders of certain currencies. Think of the public rate, what you'd normally see on forex markets, as the standard baseline. A contract rate is different. It's not randomly inflated. It's structured within major liquidity events or financial restructuring efforts. For example, if the public rate for the Iraqi dinar is listed at 50 cents per IQD, a qualifying investor could be offered $3 or more per IQD under a contract agreement. These rates exist to encourage specific economic behaviors, such as reinvestment or supporting monetary reform. And while they sound exciting, there's a strict qualification process involved. Who can access contract rates? Not every currency holder will qualify for these higher rates. To be eligible, you must prove the legitimacy of your currency acquisition and meet all documentation requirements. Here's what you'll typically need. Original purchase receipts, showing the date, seller, and amount of your currency. Government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of residency, like a utility bill or bank statement. Tax ID number or social security number, for reporting and compliance purposes. If you're exchanging a large sum, you may also be asked to sign an NDA, non-disclosure agreement, which restricts you from publicly sharing details of your transaction. Only deal with licensed, regulated financial institutions. Anyone offering shortcuts, backdoors, or asking for sensitive data through email or messaging apps is a red flag. Scammers thrive during major financial transitions, and they're already targeting investors like you. How to protect yourself from scams. Right now, scams are ramping up. Fraudsters know many people are excited and may act impulsively. Be extremely careful who you communicate with, especially online. Ignore unsolicited messages on social media promising exclusive access or secret rates. Stay away from unofficial groups on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook claiming to be insiders. Always remember this golden rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. No legitimate institution will ask for private data through unsecured channels or demand you mail in your currency. And no reputable financial professional will pressure you to act now before it's too late. Strategy first. Timing your exchange wisely. Many investors rush into full exchanges the moment they hear the news. But that could come with unexpected tax burdens and missed opportunities. A smart approach. Consider exchanging only a portion, say 10% to 25% of your holdings, to gain liquidity while keeping the rest in reserve. That way, you can react to potential rate improvements or market shifts as they unfold. Ask your exchange representative to clarify, is this the contract rate or the market rate? And make sure to get that in writing. Tax planning and asset protection. Every dollar you earn from an IQD or VND exchange is taxable. Whether it's taxed as income or capital gains depends on how long you've held the currency and your personal situation. This is where a trusted CPA or tax professional becomes essential. Many investors establish entities like LLCs, S-Corp, or trusts to reduce tax burdens and protect wealth. These structures also help manage inheritance and succession planning. And don't park large amounts of cash in basic checking accounts. Use secure, insured wealth management services with robust cybersecurity measures and fraud protection. Keep quiet. Seriously, it's tempting to talk about your currency plans, especially now. But posting vague updates like, "big changes coming soon," can attract the wrong attention. Online oversharing makes you a target for identity theft and fraud. Criminals actively search for people flashing wealth or hinting at financial windfalls. Stick to a need-to-know policy. The only people who should know about your exchange are your vetted financial advisor, accountant, and maybe a spouse or trusted family member. Privacy is your armor. Should you exchange now or later? This is one of the most frequently asked questions, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you need immediate funds, exchanging a small portion now may make sense. But early stages often involve chaos, banks working through new procedures, long wait times, or clerical errors. If you can afford to wait, consider holding off until systems stabilize. In the meantime, gather all necessary documents. Confirm your institution's exchange process and ensure you're dealing with licensed professionals. Most importantly, know whether you're accepting a contract or public rate, and get documentation. Legacy over lump sum, the real wealth strategy. Exchanging your currency is just the beginning, not the end, of your financial journey. The real win comes from how you manage, grow, and multiply that wealth over time. One powerful reinvestment can generate returns 5x or 10x your original gains. Look for cash flow real estate, green energy projects, government-backed bonds, carefully selected tech and infrastructure assets. And always consult with professionals who align with your values, not people chasing hype or empty promises. Fast money fades, legacy lasts. Think in decades, not days. Final thoughts. The confirmation of contract rates for IQD and VND is a major milestone, but it's just the first step in your financial transformation. You've prepared for this. Now it's about executing wisely. Don't let hype push you into reckless decisions. Protect your information. Think long-term. Work with licensed experts. Move with clarity, not chaos. And most importantly, don't measure success by the exchange itself. Measure it by how well you build a secure and lasting financial future. If this update helped you, be sure to like, subscribe to Iraqi Dinar Info, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical development. Stay sharp, stay private, and stay in control of your future. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with licensed tax, legal, and financial professionals before making decisions regarding currency exchanges or investments. Like and subscribe for more videos.